Hi, my name's Davey. I'm with Technical Presales here to answer your common 8L questions. The 8L is a 1.5 horsepower, 110 volt single phase machine. It's a 2-axis CNC with 4.5 inches in X and 10 inches in Z. There's 10 inches of distance between centers, 8 inches of swing over the bed, and 4 inches of swing over the carriage. The rapids on this machine are 150 inches per minute. The spindle spins at 180 to 5,000 RPMs. The spindle on this machine has a native 5C taper. It can handle 5C collets, a 4-jaw independent jaw chuck, and a 3-jaw self-aligning chuck, available on the machine builder. The 4-jaw independent jaw is used for indicating on second ops or holding flat or square stock. And the 3-jaw self-aligning is for kind of normal everyday use first op parts. The spindle supports a 1-inch through bore with the access port on the side of the machine so you can put stock all the way through if you need to. When you want to replace your collet or put a chuck in, you have a thumb wheel back here. And when you put your stock in, come through here. To lock the 5C collet, use the spindle lock and a spanner. And when you want to change from 5C to a 3-jaw chuck, you pop that out, you slide in your 3-jaw, align the key, there you go. Tighten it up. Use a spindle lock and a spanner. There you go. This machine uses OXA tool holders on a quick change tool post. While the tailstock comes with the machine standard, the optional live center gives you the flexibility to cut longer parts. As far as consumables on this machine, besides tooling and stock, of course, you have whey oil to oil the dovetails and ways via the included manual oiler, and then some machinists prefer coolant. This machine has an optional flood coolant kit with or without the stand. The wraparound screen on the enclosure lid mixed with the included work light offers you premium viewing of your part in progress. One safety feature that comes on every 8L lathe is a spindle door and work environment enclosure door safety switch to shut down the spindle anytime you open the door. As far as space requirements are concerned, this machine can come with the stand or without. Without a stand, you'll want a nice sturdy table to set this on, something that's going to resist inertial racking, as well as be strong enough to hold the 500-pound weight of the lathe itself. The stand comes with wing tables, but you can leave them off if space is a requirement. The whole thing with the wing tables is 90 inches wide. The lathe itself is 50 inches wide, 20 inches tall, and 26 inches deep. And you'll need some clearance above to open the enclosure doors. You'll need about 32 inches on the right side of the table for the clearance of the swing arm that holds the controls, whether you get the operator console or the standard controls. You'll want to keep a little clearance behind the machine to access the electrical cabinet for troubleshooting and maintenance purposes. The power switch is on the right side on the back of the lathe. On the stand, the machine is 54 inches tall. The stand is a welded steel stand meant to hold the weight, funnel the coolant back down into the recirculation system, and offer you extra storage for tooling, materials, what have you. You got 2 drawers, one on each side, and 2 cabinets down below. The stand comes with a chip collection basket, and we've also added the optional flood coolant kit, which gives us the coolant pump and so forth. This machine is equipped with the optional operator console, which is our upgraded HMI, which offers you a touch screen, a status light to tell you what your machine's doing, a jog pendant for jogging your machine around that has a magnetic base, physical cycle start and feed hold buttons, and physical feeds and speeds override knobs. The status light on the operator console will tell you many things. It will tell you when your machine's running. It will tell you when your machine's waiting for something. It will also tell you when it's not doing anything or if it's in a reset. If you don't get the operator console, you can bring your own monitor, keyboard, and mouse, get a standard monitor or a touchscreen with or without the swing arm for mounting everything. Using conversational programming, you can quickly prototype parts like this pawn, shown here in point-to-point straight line or radius coordinates. You can also set your roughing and finishing depth of cut and your tool geometry specifics all within the machine. If you have any more questions about the 8L or any of our other machine tool offerings, feel free to give us a call, email us presales@tormach.com, or schedule a consult on our website. Have a good day.